Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are painting doors. Okay, so we wanted to paint some of our interior doors. Everything in our house is completely white, so we started with my wife's office door. We wanted to paint it a pink color for her office just to be fun. And so it's an interior door, it's a closet door. We wanted to try with the door that wasn't directly in the middle of the house in case we didn't do that well with a paint sprayer. So we got a paint sprayer and we're going to show you how we did the interior door. Okay, so the pink door project is complete. We sprayed this door. We don't have any runs to it. We sprayed it nice and light, but we did 2 coats to it. And we did a little bit of overlap every time we did a spray. And we started at the top here and sprayed down, and then we'd spray back up to make sure we got these little underlips and things like that from the door. And it turned out really well. This is a semi-gloss paint. We'll put a link in the description below to the color. Just love the color. It actually is pink, but not too pink. It's not purple. It's not rose or old pink. So love it. And the sprayer worked really well. This is a semi-gloss paint. The door feels really good. It actually looks better than what the builders did when they painted the doors. So I'm probably gonna have to do all the doors now. So that's it. We'll put a link in the description below. Subscribe to our channel. Super thanks is always welcome. This is our first attempt at doing spraying of doors, but honestly, it really is not a hard project. I think you should give it a go. Our paint sprayer isn't even a high-end sprayer, and it works extremely well. So give it a shot if you think you want to do some painting around your house, but you don't want to roll it because you want that nice, completely professional finish.